To get your OpenAI API, let's first understand again what is API. API is just a way for you to talk with other services in the cloud. So in our case, we want to send an audio file to OpenAI. It's the company that owns, for example, ChatGPT. They have a model called Whisper, which can take our audio file and convert it to text. Okay, so we want a way to talk with them. To do that, you need an API key. What is API key? So let's write here OpenAI API. And what I'm doing now is a lot of companies have their own API. Okay, it's not only OpenAI. You have it with X by Elon Musk. You have it with Facebook, with or Llama. Okay, we have a lot of those. So let's just write OpenAI API and get into the first website. Log in with your user. Okay, I have already one. And now you need to go to your project. You can do a new one if you need. Manage projects. Go to API keys and create a new key. Now you need to understand API key is something secret, so I can't show you this process. But basically, if right now I will create a new secret key and I will give it the name ClipCaption, and I guess I can choose my project and I will create the secret key. I will get a new key. Okay, so I'm going to pause the recording. Okay guys, so I created my new secret key. I already copied it. So let's get back to Lovable, and Lovable just telling you, hey, just add the API key and it's going to connect it to this edge function. I remind you, edge function is actually a way, it's like the middleman, okay? It's talking with your platform and with the OpenAI API and just telling that what it should do, okay? It's instructed. So let's add the API key. I'm just going to paste it, submit, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so let's see what happened. Basically, it will look like nothing happened, okay? We had also a small error, so we fixed it. But basically now, if I will upload a video, still nothing will really happen, okay? So let's just upload a video. The video failed. Let's see the logs. Bucket not found. Now, the reason for that is because it tried to probably upload it to a bucket that doesn't exist, or a bucket that not anymore assigned, okay? It's supposed to be in the temp files. So let's try to fix it. As I thought, he's asking to change some stuff and direct it to temp files. Let's apply the changes. Okay, let's see now what's going on when we're uploading a video. Video uploaded, but processing failed to start. Our team has been notified. Okay, the reason for that, it's because we don't really tell the API to do anything yet. So let's now write instructions for our API. And I think at this point, I can go back to my documentation. Okay, integrate GPT-4 for platform-specific metadata. Okay, let's copy both of them. We need to make sure that after we upload a video and it's converted to audio file, we send it to OpenAI API and we do the following. Then we'll go down. Make sure it makes sense with our existing Supabase tables and columns. Okay, great. Let's go to chat mode. That's basically the most tricky part of our platform, okay? This is the moment we are going to take the video file, convert it to audio, and send it to the AI to actually doing its magic. You can notice I still didn't even mention that we need to get the result and populate our fields in Supabase. So that's the next thing I'm going to do after he will get me his answer, okay? Okay, great. He made a plan. Let's tell him that. Great. Make a plan and make sure that the results we will get from the AI will populate and inserted to the relevant table and columns we have in our Supabase. Okay. Okay, as you can see, he actually making a really big plan. I just realized we need to make sure that the data is going to generate will be based on the language that is spoken in the video. So let's make sure it happens. Make sure the translations and the generations will be based on automatic detection of the spoken language in the video. It should recognize it automatically based on the audio file. Okay. Great, and that's why I did it, because like, yeah, he planned to do it with Whisper, but as you can see, he's not taking advantage of its language detection capabilities. So now we're making sure we're also using that, okay? It's really important. Okay, let's apply the changes that he asked. So basically now he keep asking me to apply a lot of changes for our Supabase edge functions and tables. Okay, that's fine, that makes sense. It's a big change that we're doing now. And it's doing it part of a big plan. Okay, he's saying he finished. I'm not sure at all that he's finished. So I'm going to copy his plan. I'm going to paste it. And in the beginning, I'm going to say, check if you did everything we need in this plan. Yeah, so as I could, as I thought, a lot of stuff is missing. So yeah, implement the plan. I hate when you do it, but sometimes you do it. They make like the AI sometimes lazy. I don't know, maybe they want to save money and stuff and still say that it's your fault. But yeah, you need sometimes to double check him. Okay, great. He's saying he did everything, but let's ask him again. Did you made all the plan fully? And again, I will pass him. Okay, let's try to upload a video and just see what happened. I suspect it still won't work. Yeah, as I thought, failed. Let's see the logs. Okay, something about the functions. That means it's something internally in Supabase. Let's just try to fix it. Okay, I understand what happened. Whisper API can only handle up to 25 megabytes. Let's make sure we upload the actual video to our temp storage, then convert it internally, the smallest supported audio file format, then send it to Whisper. Make a plan for it. So basically, again, let me review the problem and how we try to fix it. Right now, when I'm uploading a video, even if it uploads the video, Whisper API can't handle the video, okay? It can only handle up to 25 megabytes. I still need to solve the fact that our platform doesn't convert the video to audio file. We tried to do it through the browser, it kind of didn't work. Now I'm trying to make him find a way because I don't really know what's possible. Okay, so I got into a chain of errors, like 4 or 5 errors. In those cases, I really suggest you either revert versions or do what I'm doing now. I'm telling him something is messed up, you think we should remove all changes in Supabase and in our code and start again implementing the changes for uploading a video. I remind you, we should have the video uploaded to a temp bucket, then convert it to audio file, also in a temp bucket using FFmpeg, then send this temp audio file through edge function to Whisper. Then we should generate transcription of the text of the video and SRT file with subtitles timing. Then we should send the result to GPT-4o for fine-tuning of the SRT file to be matched for subtitles of a video, and to make all the columns we have in the metadata generations, like YouTube, title, descriptions, Instagram, captions, and so on. And then I will do it in chat mode and I will send it. Now what I did here is called prompt engineering, okay? I described a problem, I offered solutions, and I gave examples. Because it can be very messy for him. We're trying to do a lot of stuff together, as you can see. So I just described. I wanted to reset everything and just say, this is what I want to do, what we should do. Like, help me, help you, okay? Okay, so now he's making a plan for it, and I will go along with him. Right now, when I upload a video, it's actually uploading the video. And we can see here in Supabase, we have buckets that he created. As you can see, we have temporary buckets, which is really cool. It means he will delete them after 1 hour. And if you will see, like here in the folders, we could see we actually have here a video, okay? But right now, the problem is that after I upload a video, nothing is happened. I don't really know what happened, okay? That's a problem that can sometimes happen. That he will upload the video right now, he will say to me processing will soon begin, but I have no idea anymore what's going on in my system. I have tons of buckets. So what I will do in this case, I will do screen capture. I will take this picture and I will tell him, do we need all those buckets? I don't understand what's going on after we upload a video. Also, let's make our video uploading as simple as possible. No video chunks, just regular video uploading. Then tell me if we even have video to audio converting happening. Okay, I just want them to tell me what's going on. The beautiful thing about the chat mode that he actually can look at your code and tell you what's going on. Okay, as I thought, you have a lot of stuff that not working well in the system. Okay, he's saying he did the stuff that we want him to do. Would you like me to update the process video edge function? Okay, before that, let's fix this error, and then yeah, we want them to update. We want them to update that, because before we do it, we can't really send anything to the AI, okay? I remind you, Whisper, yes, you can upload video to Whisper, by the way, but the video need to be smaller than 25 megabytes. The reason I know that is because Lovable told me that before. Okay, saying he did it, let's see if he actually did it. I will refresh. Yeah, perfect. See? Now all we have here is probably only one video, which is great. Let's try to upload a video. Yeah, okay, great. I have the error that's related to the AI API, so that's good. So now we can pass this command, update the process video edge function to the actual video to audio, okay? Because right now we have videos, but they don't actually convert it to audio, because I can see my audio bucket is empty. And again, it's doing the conversion with this package called ffmpeg. So I honestly, I don't care about it. I just want this thing to happen. So let's send it. Okay, and really hope now it will work. So I will upload a video. So it failed. Let's see. I think he failed to make the thumbnail, probably. Let's see what's going on here. I actually will delete it. I think it's confusing. Okay, okay, look like we don't even add the FFmpeg conversion. So yeah, let's do it, what he just said. I really hope it will work. Oh my god, guys, look what he's saying to me here. Ready to begin with installing dependencies. It means he never installed the FFmpeg packages. It means we could never make it work. Okay guys, so we installed everything he asked for. Let's upload a video and see what happened. So I'll actually upload a long video with speaking. Okay, we have here a new progress bar saying initializing FFmpeg. I wouldn't want users to see it, but it's nice to see it right now. But I can see already it's stuck, which is a bad thing. Let's see what actually happened here. Yeah, I can see the video is not actually able to upload. Let's refresh and make sure that. I will take a picture. I will paste it here and I will say, currently when I'm trying to upload a video, it's stuck on this state. What we want to happen is 1. Generate video thumbnail. 2. Convert. Okay, wait, actually, this is 2. 1 should be upload video directly to Supabase. Generate video thumbnail. 3. Convert video to low size audio format. 4. Send the audio file to Whisper API AI. 5. Send the transcription to ChatGPT 4o for processing according to our metadata. 6. Present the user in the UX UI the results in organized way with the video thumbnail. Okay, so let's send it to the chat mode and see what will happen. Okay, Andy, make for me a plan. I will say yes. Okay guys, so let me show you where we are now, okay? So it did a lot of changes. I also have a lot of errors. My point is, because you guys will make different app, my point is, hey, don't give up. You will find a way, okay? Just tackle around stuff, try to revert versions. Don't try to make more features if something doesn't work. Really insist on fixing everything. Let me show you where we are now and how I know what I need to do next. So I need now to open the preview, because if I will try to upload a video here, you will see it will get stuck. So I discovered I just need to go to preview. And now if I will upload a video, you will see it's processing the video. It's uploading the video. It made a thumbnail of the video, and you can see it kept the aspect ratio. And here, we're still not using AI. We're just simulating the generation of all the metadata. And on top of that, if I will go now to the history page, I will see the video. And if I will open, it should show the metadata, but right now we don't have anything. Okay, and you can see we have various other videos. Let's look what's going on in Supabase, okay? So as you can see again, in Lovable it's stuck, because here we are like in our programming environment, and it just can't do it. And the reason for that is because the conversion that it's doing with the thumbnail, it's something it's doing through the browser itself, okay? It's something the browser itself doing, and here the browser is not taking into action because we're using like some kind of inside browser of Lovable. Okay, so that's one thing. Now I want to see what's happening in Supabase. So every time I upload a video now, we create a thumbnail image. okay, as you can see. We create a video upload, as you can see. Now, every thumbnail image or video file in those buckets, if you will do right click, you will get a URL, okay? They have URL address for them. Like, for example, if I will open here a new tab and I will paste it, you will see I have this image. So if now I will go to my table editor, you could see that he actually making videos for each video you upload. And here he pasting the thumbnail URL of that video, okay? So this is how we can actually see in the history the appropriate thumbnails that we used. So that was like a summary of what's going on now. Now let's proceed working on our software.